We're gonna be doing our lamb bolognese with house-made pappardelle pasta.
Beautiful.
Bolognese is a dish that I really enjoy because it takes a long time. You can tell someone doesn't know how to make bolognese when the meat's tough. It has really runny sauce. It's like meat paste almost.
You want to let it get nice and thick?
Yeah, you want it like basically mud is what you're looking for.
Okay.
So the first
Texture
thing,
of mud. Sounds awesome.
First thing we're looking for is you want to drop your oyster mushrooms in there. I just look for a little bit of color. So once I start seeing that little bit of color, I'll just let them go. And I throw my bolognese in.
Now give me the quick fix on how to make the bolognese.
So what we do is we take all of our salami scraps, render that down, and then you're gonna, we always throw in our meat. Beef is the body, pork's the flavor, lamb is the bigger flavor.
You've got the trio.
You got the trio.
The
Usually it's
trinity of
yeah. And then so we put that in there. You fry up a little tomato paste, throw in your stock, white wine, marinara, kind of like just let it go. So once I get this far and I see a nice color, just a little bit of white wine and a lot of bit of butter. When you have sauce left on the plate after you eat it, that's a very bad thing. That means that means it wasn't done right. So I usually let my pasta go about 3/4 of the way in the water, and I'll finish it the last 25% in the sauce. You're getting that starch into the sauce, and it soaks into the noodle. And it's not two separate entities, it's one. The other secret is you want to make sure that your water is salty like the ocean.
You're not a pinch, but
No, I put cups. So this, I just go low and slow. It's already cooked, you're just rewarming. So this is about 3/4 of the way done. I'll splash a little bit of my pasta water in there because you do want that in there. So these are pappardelle. We do an egg yolk based pasta. There's nothing wrong with a lot of fat. Finish this off in the sauce, about the last 25%. I'll just throw in a little bit of pecorino cheese. So we'll grab our plate right here. And then I'll finish with a little more pecorino. This is just some whipped ricotta. And for the last one, this is salsa verde, which is basically a mixture of, there's mint, chili flake, caper, anchovy, parsley.
Is that it?
That's it.
Let's try it.
All right.
The tannin and alcohol in the GSM goes great with the fatty richness of the dish. And the big bold dish likes a big bold wine.